Okay, so for today's improv video, I'm making bacon in the air fryer to show my college-bound daughter that she can make bacon in the air fryer. As you see, pull the air fryer away from the wall. Don't use it against the wall. Gonna preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes or so. I did 5 minutes here. So as you see, there's a cut through. So now I'm back trying to get going on this voiceover stuff. So 5 minutes preheat. Take the tray out, your basket. Use whatever bacon you want to use. This is just a store brand that I get at my local grocer. I'm just going to load up the basket. My basket fits about 6 pieces I put in there. And let's do a little bit of quick editing. There goes my voice. Okay, so the last piece goes in the basket. Gonna quickly wipe my hands. That didn't make sense at all, but whatever. Anyway, let's take the basket and put that back into the air fryer and let that cook. Takes about 5 minutes, pretty quick. So it depends on the thickness of your bacon though. Keep an eye on that timer. Okay, as you see here, I'm pointing at the timer because it was like only like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes until that it was time to actually flip those. Keep an eye on your bacon as it's cooking, or else you can forget about it and you'll burn it, and we don't want smoky conditions and have the guys in the red truck come after you. Anyway, but flip it, put your basket back into the air fryer and let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it was like a couple minutes later, like 2.5 minutes later, and my bacon was nice and crispy the way I like it. Your doneness may be different. Um, Wait a minute, did I not take it out? Let's see. Did I just peek at it? Whoa, wait a minute. I think I waited a little bit longer to make it more crispy. Yeah, I was tapping my fingers. Look at that. Anyway, another extra minute more and take it out. See how much more crispy a 1 minute does? Okay, so we're going to take that out and be right back. Okay, so while your bacon is cooking, you can set yourself up and get yourself a plate with some paper towels on it. Grab some tongs. You should already have those. I'll link items down in the description box for items I use, obviously. Take your bacon out, let it drain on the paper towel, and quick edit and be right back. Okay, space saver time. Let's move the bacon over to the other counter and work over here on the stove, and we're going to put the second batch of bacon in the basket. Alrighty, so start grabbing and make sure you have clean hands. I should have told you, but it should like be a first things first. Wash your hands before you start cooking, right? Alright, be right back. Alrighty, last piece of bacon is going into the basket, and then we'll pop this second batch into the air fryer after I wipe my hands of the grease. Yeah, let's pop that in, and again, keep an eye on your timer. It's about, I put the timer up, but it really doesn't matter. There's my thumbs up because my daughter likes to give me thumbs up all the time. So you're going to see me for the rest of the video do that. Point to the cat, of course, because I have 5 of them, and why not, right? So, all right. Quick, I must have hit the pause button and we did that. So yeah, we're back into it. Flip your bacon. Okay, hold on. Whew, caught my breath there. Anyway, let's finish flipping this bacon here. And after we get done flipping, it goes back into the air fryer. Quick thumbs up. Here we go. There you go. And now let's edit all this out until the end of the video because we really don't need a 10-minute video on how to cook bacon in the air fryer, right? There goes another cat. Okay, the magic of editing. Here we go. This was the last 2 pieces of bacon that did not fit in the basket in the earlier batches. So these ones will be mine because the chef always gets to taste the product, right? See that jar? That's bacon grease. And what we're going to do with that, we're going to take the leftover bacon grease in the basket. You're going to wait about 5 minutes. Let that cool down a little bit. You don't want to put the very hot oil into that jar. So we'll be right back when it's time to do that. Okay, let's drain that bacon grease into the jar and save the bacon grease. This is pure flavor gold to cook your eggs in, or anything you need to fry in a skillet and you need a little bit of oil. I don't like to use olive oil or anything like that. The flavor is not for me, so I don't tend to use it a lot. So I like to use the bacon grease. So take that little tray out of the basket. I put mine in the sink, so I'll get that washed afterwards. So as you're pouring this into the jar, I use a mason jar because I put mine in the refrigerator. You can get yourself a metal can. Eventually I'm going to get one, but go slow at this. We don't want to shock the glass and risk shattering that glass. So I do this all the time. Don't come after me in the comments. If you want to come after me, come after me. I love your opinion on everything. Sure, why not, right? So anyway, gradually, slowly pour that in, and the magic editing. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go. We got our liquid gold in our jar. Put the lid back on it, and once that cools down, then you can go put that back in the refrigerator, or you can leave it out on the counter. Some people do. I don't. Mine goes in the refrigerator. That's me grabbing a piece of bacon for a taste test, and yeah, it was good. So, and I did finish off that other one. So to wrap up this video, thumbs up. You can do this. Very easy, and here's a quick storage idea to keep your bacon in the refrigerator. I got these little containers. They're made of glass. They're oven safe. I'll see if I can link product down in the description on these ones too. They're very handy. Anyway, put a piece of paper towel in, put your bacon in. That way you can keep them in the refrigerator. That way you can make a quick BLT sandwich or add bacon to your a hamburger or whatever, a ham sandwich or what have you. And so good easy meal prep on a Sunday, and you can have them for the week. So there you go. Let's pop this lid on this container and call this done. Thanks, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like, and give me some feedback down below. Thanks. Bye.